AI isn't just one thing. There are three major types you should know. First, generative AI. This is what most people use today. It creates content like text, images, and video. Think of tools that write emails, design graphics, or generate code in seconds. Second, Agentic AI. This gives beyond creative. It can plan, make decisions, and take actions toward a goal. It's like giving AI a task and letting it figure out the steps. Third, AI agents. These are systems that actually execute tasks automatically. They can book appointments, manage workflows, or run processes with little human input. From creating to thinking to doing. That's where AI is headed. If you have any questions, please contact us at sleonproductions.com.